Learn English to Gujarati. Cause, ground, proof and
પરિણામ.
welcome, detective of words. Hey, you are about to solve a very serious case, the mystery of missing snacks and very useful Gujarati words. Relax, laugh a little, and repeat after me when you hear the Gujarati. Our story begins in a classroom where a lunchbox has mysteriously become empty. Was it hunger? Was it a ghost? Was it a very organized squirrel with excellent planning skills? To solve it, you need words. First, the word cause.
કારણ.
The cause of the snack disaster is still unknown. Next, ground.
જમીન.
Crumbs are all over the ground, and honestly, the ground is telling stories. Then we need justification.
સમર્થન.
If someone ate the snacks, they will probably try to give a dramatic justification like, I was protecting the chips from loneliness. We also need an explanation.
સમજૂતી.
A good explanation makes confusion disappear. Then comes proof.
પુરાવો.
A cheese stain on a shirt can be proof, although not elegant proof. Maybe there is a note.
નોંધ.
Perhaps someone wrote, borrowed one cookie. By one, I mean 7. We also want an example.
ઉદાહરણ.
An example helps you understand how the word works. And finally, result.
પરિણામ.
The result of this investigation will be justice, or at least fewer missing biscuits. The Great Snack Mystery. Now let's jump into the story. Listen for the key words, and enjoy the drama of the world's least dangerous crime. Inspector Meena entered the room and looked at the floor. Aha, crumbs on the
જમીન.
That is never a good sign for cookies. She asked, what is the
કારણ.
of this disaster? Everyone pointed at everyone else, which was not helpful but was very energetic. Ravi said, I can give an excellent.
સમજૂતી.
I opened the lunchbox only to check if the snacks were still fresh. Then, somehow, they became less fresh and more eaten. Meena narrowed her eyes. That is an explanation, yes. But is it a good explanation? Then Leena raised a finger and said, I have.
પુરાવો.
Look at Ravi's notebook. There is a greasy.
નોંધ.
Inside that says, buy more napkins. Also, cheese puffs are louder than expected. Ravi gasped. That note is private. Also, artistic. Meena replied, do you have any?
સમર્થન.
For your behavior? Ravi answered, yes. Hunger. Extreme hunger. Nobel Prize level hunger. Meena said, that is not strong justification. It is dramatic seasoning. To help the class understand, she gave an
ઉદાહરણ.
If you borrow one pencil and return one pencil, that is fine. If you borrow one cookie and return crumbs, that is suspicious. At last, the
પરિણામ.
arrived. Ravi had to replace the snacks for the whole class. The result was fair, delicious, and slightly expensive. Word power in action. Let's slow down and make each word stick. You do not need a detective hat, but it would help the mood. Cause is.
કારણ.
Say it with me.
કારણ.
Stress can be a cause of headaches. In Gujarati, cause is.
કારણ.
Ground is.
જમીન.
The ball fell to the ground. The ground is.
જમીન.
Justification is.
સમર્થન.
This is the support or defense for an action. There is no justification for rude behavior. Gujarati.
સમર્થન.
Explanation is.
સમજૂતી.
The teacher gave a clear explanation. Gujarati.
સમજૂતી.
Proof is.
પુરાવો.
We need proof before we believe it. Gujarati.
પુરાવો.
Note is.
નોંધ.
I wrote a note for myself. Gujarati.
નોંધ.
Example is.
ઉદાહરણ.
Can you give an example? Gujarati.
ઉદાહરણ.
Result is.
પરિણામ.
Hard work often brings a good result. Gujarati.
પરિણામ.
Mini dialogue drill. Now you will hear short dialogues. Repeat the Gujarati words out loud. Yes, even if your cat judges your accent. A. Why did this happen? B. The
કારણ.
was a power cut. A. Where is the coin? B. It is on the
જમીન.
A. Why did you approve this? B. I have solid.
સમર્થન.
A. I do not understand. B. Here is the
સમજૂતી.
A. Do you have proof? B. Yes, here is the
પુરાવો.
A. Did you leave me a note? B. Yes, I left a
નોંધ.
on the table. A. I still do not get it. B. Here is one.
ઉદાહરણ.
A. Did you get the exam result? B. Yes, the
પરિણામ.
came this morning. Quick quiz, no panic. Time for a friendly challenge. I ask, you answer. If you get one wrong, that is not failure. That is just your brain doing warm-up stretches. What is the Gujarati word for cause?
કારણ.
What is the Gujarati word for ground?
જમીન.
What is the Gujarati word for justification?
સમર્થન.
What is the Gujarati word for explanation?
સમજૂતી.
What is the Gujarati word for proof?
પુરાવો.
What is the Gujarati word for note?
નોંધ.
What is the Gujarati word for example?
ઉદાહરણ.
What is the Gujarati word for result?
પરિણામ.
One final silly challenge. Let's finish with a fun memory chain. Picture the scene in your mind and connect every word together. Imagine this. A detective slips on a banana peel and lands on the
જમીન.
Everyone asks for the
કારણ.
of the fall. The detective gives a ridiculous.
સમજૂતી.
The banana was conducting a physics experiment. The monkey lawyer offers
સમર્થન.
for this theory. Then a security camera provides
પુરાવો.
a tiny sticky
નોંધ.
on the wall says, caution, suspicious banana. The teacher arrives and gives in
ઉદાહરણ.
of safe walking. The final
પરિણામ.
is simple. Everyone laughs, and the banana is banned from the hallway forever. Thanks and keep practicing. You did great. Seriously, you survived mystery, vocabulary, and an aggressive banana. Thank you for learning with me today. You practiced cause,
કારણ.
ground,
જમીન.
justification,
સમર્થન.
explanation,
સમજૂતી.
proof,
પુરાવો.
note,
નોંધ.
example,
ઉદાહરણ.
and result.
પરિણામ.
Repeat them again later, use them in your own sentences, and do not worry about being perfect. Practice a little, smile a lot, and your Gujarati will keep getting stronger. See you in the next chapter.